In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code in Figma. We'll start in your browser. Head to figma.com to open the Figma interface. On the left sidebar, click Draft so you're working in your personal space. This is a great place to experiment without affecting shared files. Next, open your recent project, the file where you want the QR code to appear, so everything you do lands directly on the correct canvas. Look toward the bottom of the Figma window and click Actions. This opens a helpful panel that lets you quickly find tools and resources. From here, choose Plugins and Widgets. Plugins extend Figma's capabilities, and this is exactly what we'll use to generate a QR code without leaving your design. In the search field that appears, type QR code generator. You should see results immediately. Click the QR code generator option in the list to select it, then click Run to launch it. Running the plugin will open a simple panel that's focused on one task, turning a link into a scannable code. Now enter the link you want your QR code to point to. For best results, paste the complete URL, including HTTPS, and take a second to confirm the destination is correct. This quick check is especially important if you plan to print the code or share it widely. When everything looks good, click Place QR Code. Figma will drop the generated QR onto your canvas so you can start using it right away. Once it's placed, you can move the QR into position and resize it like any other object. Most generators produce vector shapes, so scaling should stay crisp. For print or signage, avoid making it too small. Slightly larger sizes scan more reliably from a distance. Keep contrast high. Dark code on a light background is the safest choice, and leave a bit of clear space around the edges so cameras can detect it quickly. If your layout uses color or imagery, consider placing the QR on a solid light rectangle to protect readability and align it with your grid so it looks intentional in the design. Before you export or share, do a quick scan test from the size you plan to use. A moment spent testing helps ensure everyone can scan the code smoothly. And that's all there is to it. You opened your file, found the QR code generator through Actions, ran it, entered your link, and placed a clean, scannable QR code directly in Figma. Use this same flow whenever you need a fast, reliable QR in your designs.